This is the CreoPop Starter Pack. It comes with one CreoPop pen, 3 ink cartridges in red, orange, and cyan colors, an instruction manual, a quick start guide, a drawing mat. Remove the nozzle cap from the ink cartridge. Put on one of the nozzles. Turn on the power on your CreoPop pen. Twist open the housing of your CreoPop pen. Insert the ink cartridge into the pen housing, paying attention to the "This Side Up" sticker. Push the housing parts together and twist to close your CreoPop pen. Press and hold the operations button until the light comes on and the ink starts to flow. You can release the button after that. Start drawing slowly on your drawing mat. Do not press the nozzle against the surface. It is useful to begin by creating a foundation before you start drawing vertically. Move really slowly in the beginning. After you are used to CreoPop, you can increase the speed and draw faster. Turn off your CreoPop pen to save power after you are done drawing.